Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you're looking to set up your payments in QuickBooks Online, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So let's jump straight in. The first thing you want to do is make sure you are logged into QuickBooks, and on the right hand side you will find a gear icon, and on this gear icon you will have all of your settings, your tools, and everything about your profile. You want to go and have a look for account and settings, and once this is opened on the left hand side there are a few things we can do. The first thing is going into company and making sure all your details are actually filled in over here, including company name, company type, also contact information and your physical address. And then you want to go ahead onto the left hand side again and look for sales. Now right over here you want to go ahead and make sure that you are setting everything up over here according to your specific needs and the specific needs of your business. So you can see over here you can go from your sales form content, all the preferences over there, your invoice payments, products and services, progress invoicing, messaging, reminders, delivery, online deliveries, and statements. You want to make sure that all of these details over here have been edited according to your needs. Now once you're done here, you're going to go over to the right hand side and you're going to tap on the X, which will close this window, and you're going to get back here. Now again on the left hand side from your menu you're going to go and have a look for new, which is right at the top, and now we're going to add a receive payment. So once we go into here we can now add all the details that is necessary to receive a payment. So from here you can see at the top you can choose your customer. Now if your customer is already on your contact list you can just select it here. If not, you can just add a new client straight from there. You can also enter the client's email address, and then you can go ahead, enter a payment date if it's prior or will still be happening, and then you can choose your payment method. Over here we can talk about cash, check, credit card or debit, a direct debit, and then a reference number if you are doing reference numbers, or if you have an invoice, if you've delivered an invoice you can now enter that invoice right over there. You can see over here as well as a deposit tune. If you have that drop down menu you can put it exactly into what sort of asset you want it in over there. We're going to leave it just exactly the way it is, and then you have the amount which you can enter in over here. We're going to just go ahead and enter a random amount. You can see here that it puts it in at the top of your invoice. So you can see down over here, that's the amount to apply and the amount to credit, and you can clear the payment as well if you'd like. And then right at the bottom you can attach an invoice or any sort of document that is related to this payment receivings. And then there is a section where you can put on some notes. When you're done, you can go ahead to the bottom right hand side of the page. You can tap on save and close, save and send, or save and create a new one. And once you're done, you are complete. You've now set up your payments, and what will happen in the future is the details that you put in per customer will be you will be able to continue to carry those details throughout each one of these documents. I hope you enjoyed this. If it was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Cheers.